Welcome, the Google Cloud Leaders Connect India.
At Google Workspace, we experience 2 billion plus monthly AI assists.
Everything I do so instinctive, instant passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay and that, but I don't know if that.
What a truly inspiring sight for me from here to see such brilliant minds, such dedicated individuals coming together for our summit.
The tendency of we as a customers, as users, how we search has been changed by AI.
You're looking at Google Cloud for a couple of reasons. One is, as I said, you really want to transform your customer experience. You want to modernize your tech, and you also want to drive innovation through AI.